Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a directed drawing for our letter V. That's the letter we've been practicing this week. So go ahead and get your pencil, white piece of paper, black marker, and crayons. Today we're going to be drawing our picture on the paper when it's vertical, so up and down. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So first, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a V in the very middle of our page. Okay, just like that. Then we are going to draw a kind of a squiggly line, but not too squiggly, just kind of like a wavy shape to about right here. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to do like a wavy line. And then you're going to just draw a kind of like a straight line across the bottom. Okay. Then we are going to kind of do these lines, and they're kind of tricky, so just pay attention. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to go curve it out, bring it back up. See how I have a little point here? And you can just keep going all the way so you get all the way to the other side. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. It's all up to you. Then, boys and girls, we're just going to draw some more squiggly lines, and we're just going to go down and back up, down and back up, down and back up. You're going to do this all the way until you get to the other side. Just like that. All right, so next, if you've guessed it, we are drawing a volcano. Okay, so we're just going to do some detail lines. So we're just going to give some lines here, and then some lines up here at the top. All right, so you can do that however you like. Then the colors you will need, you will just need a light orange and kind of like this dark color orange, or you can use red or whatever you choose. So the first, oh, just kidding, we're not going to do that yet. We need our black marker to trace. Getting ahead of myself. I have only ever seen a volcano when I went on a trip about 9 years ago. I went to Costa Rica, and I was with my school. We went on a trip, and we got to see the biggest volcano. I can't remember the name of it, but it was so pretty and very, very big, like the biggest mountain. It kind of looked like a mountain, one of the biggest mountains I've ever seen. But it was kind of smoky at the top, which I thought was really cool. Have you ever seen a volcano in person? There are some around, not near us, but in different states. There are some. So Hawaii has some. There are other states that have some. Right. And it looks like this volcano has erupted. So all of these little drawings that we've done, that's the lava that's coming out. Now remember, boys and girls, we've never drawn lines like this before, so if you need to pause and practice drawing those or erase and fix something that you don't like, you are more than welcome to. Now go ahead and get your actual orange out, and we're going to color that first. So I'm coloring pretty light. I'm trying to follow the lines that I've drawn. So instead of drawing like this or coloring straight across, I'm trying to go up and down. It's going to be orange. Got lots of orange to color in today. Be very careful, Miss Starborn accidentally got out of line just a little bit. Sometimes your arms get a little bit sore from coloring so quick. I'm going to turn my paper just so I can color a little bit quicker. I'll turn it back around for you in just a minute. All right, so now we're going to try to create where you can see the different colors. So I'm going to grab another orange, and it's a little bit darker, and I'm going to try to just put some of this in there with it, with the regular orange, just to show some dimension. And you know what I forgot? I forgot to add some little spots where the volcano ashes are going. So if it has erupted, then it needs some of these little things. Some lava is coming out. So I'm gonna just color those in that orange color. All right, so most of the time, it's very, very hot when this is coming out of the volcano, the lava and magma. And then the bottom part of a volcano, sometimes it's brown, sometimes it's black, but today we're gonna color it in brown. So grab your brown crayon. And we're not going to be able to write a sentence today just because we've run out of room, but you can write your first name up here at the very top of the end. You guys are really improving with your directed drawings. It's so wonderful to see how far you've come. I hope you enjoy these as much as I do. I'm going to turn it just a little so I can color it really quick. And then at the bottom, we're going to color this area green. You can choose whatever green you want. I'm going to do this darker green and then add some light green in there. just to add some more color. All right, and we are finished with our directed drawing today. I hope you enjoy. Bye guys, have a good weekend.